And let's record. All right, so welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew channel. Let's look at Bitcoin. It had a massive pump today. It's up over 10% from the high. Actually, at the high, I think it was up 12%. So that was actually quite crazy. Weekly chart actually has more steam on it. The stock RSI on the weekly chart is only at 67. So I like what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. The 3-day time frame for Bitcoin is cooked. The 3-day chart is overbought. So be cautious about that. The daily chart right now for Bitcoin is completely flatline. It's way overbought at 100. So again, we're getting into that dangerous territory. I bet also if we look at the fear and greed index, we're way overbought. Let me check that out before I get too far into this. Fear and greed index is currently sitting at a 66. That is greed. So that's a huge. I think last time we were live, it was sitting at 53. So that's not good. 4-hour chart's cooked and overbought. 1-hour chart is overbought now. So basically, when you pump like this, you got to look at the smaller time frames. Right now, in the smaller time frames, it looks like, in my opinion, we're making a bull flag. We'll see what happens. 15-minute chart is at 33 on the RSI. So, the 15-minute chart could really pump you. It's oversold, in my opinion. I actually had a measured move out of the what I saw as a falling wedge for Bitcoin. The measured move for that is $36,956, and I have resistance at $37,156. I'll tell you when to enter. Give me a second. Not financial advice, of course, but I saw this as a falling wedge. In my opinion, it's breaking to the upside right now. But if you want to look at like a bull flag on like the 15-minute time frame, you could totally do that. Either way, I'm still looking for a measure move around 37,150, 160, at least 37,000 for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumps like as crazy as it does, I even go to the 5-minute time frame. I'll even go to the 1-minute time frame. I'm actually in a trade on the 1-minute time frame, and my stop loss I'll show you in a second. 5-minute time frame is made a new high and you are oversold. I believe Bitcoin will rip again tonight. I'm not going to say it's going to 37.2 tonight, but I think very soon, maybe tomorrow, it could happen. The higher time frames are ready to dump those. So if you lose, I'll tell you what level in a second. 1-minute chart right now, I have my stop loss at the SMMA, which is currently at 32,570. I entered at 31,141. So to me, I'm also in a trade based on the 1-minute time frame. So if you lose that level right there at 32,580, in my opinion, it's over. Actually, I'm going to bring that level down. I'm going to use that level. The level you got the absolute bounce off of, at least using the Mexc chart, was just about 32,450. If you lose 32,450, I believe Bitcoin is going to have a correction, probably as low as 30,000. We'll see what happens. Though the line you have to hold in the sand, for me, based on what I'm seeing in the charts, is $32,450 for Bitcoin. If you lose that level, I could see a move back to $30,000. That's just how I see the market. So if you guys enjoyed this quick update on Bitcoin, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next